How to find the volume of a sphere. Imagine holding a perfectly round ball in your hand. Have you ever wondered how much space that ball actually takes up? Today, we're going to find out exactly how to calculate that. To figure out the volume of a sphere, you need to know its radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on its surface. Once you have that, you can use a special formula. The formula is volume equals for divided by 3 times pi times the radius cubed. Pi is about 3.14, a number that helps us work with circles and round shapes. Breaking it down, you take the radius and multiply it by itself 3 times. That's called cubing the radius. Then multiply that number by pi, which accounts for the round shape of the sphere. Finally, multiply everything by 4/3, which adjusts the total volume to match the shape of the sphere. For example, if the radius of a sphere is 3 units, you cube 3 to get 27. Next, multiply 27 by pi, which gives approximately 80 for 0.9. Then, multiply that by 4/3, which is about 1.33. When you do the math, the total volume is about 113.1 cubic units. This formula actually comes from imagining the sphere as many tiny circular disks stacked together. If you add up the volume of all those disks, you get the same formula. It's also interesting to compare the sphere to a cylinder and a cone with the same radius and height. The sphere's volume equals the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the cone, which leads to the same calculation. Knowing how to find the volume of a sphere is very useful. It helps in many areas like science, engineering, and even sports. For example, understanding the volume can tell you how much air is inside a ball or how much space a planet or moon takes up. If you have a hollow sphere, like a ball with a shell, you find the volume of the outer sphere and subtract the volume of the inner sphere. So, the key to calculating the volume of a sphere is knowing its radius and applying the formula for 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. It's a simple way to understand the space inside this perfectly round shape.